the Weddell seal. She has to keep her breathing hole open by grinding back the ice with her teeth. Out here on the sea ice, all these seals are far from the predators of the open ocean. Is the sharpest drop in temperature any animal ever faces. But her pup can't swim for the first 10 days of its life. It's trapped here, out on the ice. She shields her pup from the wind. Although it's spring, temperatures can drop to -40 degrees Celsius. And blizzards can rage for days. 3 days on, and the storm is still raging. She now faces the hardest of decisions. Does she stay with her pup? Or shelter in the water? Now, her pup's best chance of survival is for the storm to pass quickly. Some pups didn't make it. An answer. If this pup now joins its mother in the water, it would be safe from any future storm. It's -2 degrees Celsius, but being in water is warmer than lying on the ice in the howling wind. Its chances of surviving here are now extremely good.